everybody, so I'm filming inside again today because it is pouring rain out there and I'm a little bit of a baby. I don't really want to work out outside because I'm going to be on the ground, and anyway, long story short, we're doing it inside today. So all you need for this workout is a kettlebell. If you don't have a kettlebell, you can use just a standard dumbbell, but I like the kettlebell because it has kind of this handle on it. So my kettlebell is 15 pounds. You can always just pick a regular dumbbell as well, so I'll show you some variation. So we have 5 moves today, 3 times through, and what we're going to do at the beginning is a 1-minute plank buy-in, and then at the very end of the workout we're going to do a 1-minute plank buy-out. Okay, so to start this workout, grab your iPhone or whatever timer you use, set it for a minute, and we are planking it out. Let's do it. Go. So with this, you want to be keeping your body line nice and straight. You want to suck your stomach in, keep your abs nice and tight, and really concentrate on keeping your butt down. So you want to stay nice and strong. Nice core exercise. But I find my arms get tired too with it. So if this is too much for you, you can drop down onto your knees, but make sure you maintain the plank. And then if you need to, also coming up onto your hands is easier as well. Okay, so we are halfway there already. I want you guys following along with me. I'm going to do this whole workout in real time, and you can do it with me, so there's no excuses. And I've got my little cat, and she'll terrorize me. I don't know if you guys hear, but she's figured out how to bite things. So, alright, we got 10 seconds. Let's go. Come on. Keep holding it. Don't drop. Woo! 5. Let's go. And stop. Good work. Okay, so now we're right into the workout. So what we're going to do to start is a one-legged push-up to burpee. So we're doing 10 of these, 5 each leg. So what it looks like is you're going to stand on one of your legs. You're going to jump up, jump out. You're going to do a one-legged push-up, so this other leg is up. You're going to do a push-up, then you're going to walk your hands back in and jump again. Switch legs, jump, walk your hands out, push up, and jump. So lots of balance with this one. We've got 10 of these. Let's go. 1. If you can't do the push-up, drop down onto your knees, that's fine. Try and do this move the hardest way that you can. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5. Whew. Oh, that was 6. Whew. Oh, that was 7. Keep your balance. That was 8. Come on. We got 2 more. Watch out, Cleo. That was 9. Let's go. Whew. Switch sides. Last one. Whew. Nice work. Whew. Okay, nice and warmed up. Grab your kettlebell, and what you're going to do is we're doing 20 around the world with a squat. So you're going to take the kettlebell on one side, you're going to swing it around until it comes back to this side, you're going to squat down with it, come back up, go the other way to the other arm, and squat. So each squat is 1 rep. Okay, so 20 of these. Let's go. 1. 2. So switching sides with the kettlebell each time, ending up in the opposite hand. That's 3. 4. 5. Let's go. 6. Keeping your back nice and straight with this one. Really squat down. 7. Come on. 8. Let's go. 9, 10, 11, 12, come on. 13, 14, come on. 15, let's go. Come on. 16, nice deep squats. 17, come on. 18, 2 more. 19, last one, come on. And 20. Good work. Okay, drop the kettlebell. Next thing we are going to do is a lunge kick on the floor. We're doing 10 of these, so 5 each side. So how this looks is you're going to be in what we call the sprinter stance. So your back leg, your knee is on the ground, and so are your toes. This leg, foot is on the ground, and knee is bent. What you're going to do is you're going to be in this position. You're going to kick back. You're going to kick back your right leg, and then you're going to put it back, and switch. Okay, so now you're going to kick back your left leg, and switch. Kick it back, destroy the speakers, and switch. Okay, so you know what it looks like. I'm going to do it this way, so I don't destroy the speaker. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, and 10. Whew. Okay, next thing we're doing is straight leg sit-ups. So on your butt, sitting on the ground, lay back nice and flat on the ground. You're going to stick your leg up as straight as it can go. You're going to reach for your toes, and then switch. Other leg goes up, straight as it can go, and reach for your toes. We've got 10 of these. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, let's go, 5, 6, 7, come on, 8, 9, last one, come on, 10. Alright, okay, last move, what we're going to do, grab your kettlebell again. So what you're going to do is you're going to lean over, feet are wider than hip width apart. Grab the kettlebell. You're going to lean forward, keeping your back nice and straight, butt out. What you're going to do is you're going to do a row with this arm. So you're going to do 5 of them. So you're going to row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And just for the purpose of you guys, I'm just going to turn around. You're going to grab the kettlebell like this after your 5, and you do 10 calf jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you're going to switch sides. Okay, and you're going to row again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, so those are our 5 moves. That was run round. Let's go. Okay, back to our one-legged burpee. Oh. Watch out, heel. That was 2. Switch sides. Let's go. 3. Cat is trying to attack me. 4. Okay, switch. Let's go. 5. Come on. kettlebell. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, come on. 9, stay strong. 10, that's halfway, come on. 11, don't stop. 12, we're doing this together. 13, come on. 14, 15, woo. Let's go. 16, come on, 4 more. 17, keep those squats deep, let's go. 18, come on, 2 more. Come on. 19, last one, come on. And 20. Nice work. Okay, we're gonna do our lunge kicks again. Okay, I'm gonna try not to kick the speaker, hopefully you can still see me. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, let's go. Straight leg sit-ups. Come on. We've got 10 of these. 1, 2. That was 3. That was 4. 5. Come on. Get that leg nice and straight. Straight as it can go. 6. I know mine doesn't go all the way, but 7. 8. 9. Last one. 10. Okay, let's go with our rows. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know you're sweating. Grab that kettlebell, stand up straight. Let's jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch sides, bend over. Let's go. 1, 2. I know how that sounded. 5. You know what I mean, people. Okay, let's go back to our burpees. Last round, come on, ready? 1. Woo. Maybe I'm the only one who caught that. 2. This is 3. Woo. This is number 4. Come on, guys. This is hard, I know. 5. Come on. 6. Let's go. Keep it strong. Keep your balance. Okay, this is 7. Come on. Let's go. This is 8. We've got 2 more. 9. Come on, last one. Staying on one leg. Whew, grab your kettlebell. Let's go. 1. Sorry. Okay. I did an extra squat there. 2. 3. This is your last round. Push it. 3. Come on. 4. Come on. I know you're sweating. I am too. 5. 6. I know it hurts. That's the point, right? 7, come on. 8. 9. Let's go. Come on. You're halfway there. Let's go. 11 is next. All right. Let's go 12. And 13. 14. 15. Come on. 16. Don't stop now. 17. Think of how far we've already come. 18. We've got 2 more. Fraction of what we've done. And there you go. Nice work. Okay, let's do our lunge kicks. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. 7, 8. I'm sweating. 9. Last one. And 10. Whew, nice work. Okay, back on the ground. Whew. So you can see me. Let's go. 1. Nice and straight legs, straight as you can. 2. 3. Come on. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Let's go. 2 more. 9. Last one. Come on. 10. All right, up. Let's go. Lean over. Back straight. Butt out. Row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Grab that kettlebell. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. You're not done yet. Grab those timers again. We're planking for a minute. Gotta buy out of this workout or we're not done. Let's go. Hold it tight. If you have to drop on down to your knees, that's fine. Just keep holding it. Keep the core engaged. Suck your stomach in. Butt down. Nice strong core. Let's go. You're 20 seconds in. You've already done this. Come on. This is the end. Slow your breathing down. Core in tight. Let's go, guys. We got 20 seconds. Let's go. We're in this together. 10 seconds. Come on. Oh. Oh. 4. 1. Stop. Nice work, guys. Okay. So, that was a pretty challenging workout. I'm sweating buckets right now. And I got out of breath too. So, pretty effective workout. Challenging, but you can do it. Do it with me. Do the modifications if you need to. Drop down onto your knees for the planks. But just get through this workout with me. It's not that long. And I promise you'll be tired by the end. You can enjoy some Christmas festives or whatever you've got planned. Okay, guys. Thanks so much. See you next time. Oh, kitty!
Leo.